Self-introduction. Hello, my name is Emily, and I am in 5th grade. Today, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I love playing soccer with my friends after school. It is so much fun running around the field and scoring goals. I also enjoy reading books, especially mystery stories that keep me on the edge of my seat. In school, my favorite subject is science. I find it fascinating to learn about the different parts of a plant or how animals adapt to their environment. I dream of becoming a scientist one day and discovering something new that can help people. I have a big family with 2 younger brothers and a dog named Max. We all love going on hikes together on the weekends and exploring nature. Overall, I am a friendly and curious person who enjoys spending time with my friends and family. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me a little better.